Hassan को visa भिजवाना
English.
and Hassan could marry you with him. Inshallah. You are my baby. After me, sir. You are my baby after me before. May, sir. Okay. And your lipstick is a very beautiful because you want strictly lipstick and not chupaing lips. You are so cute. And now you are my sister and you are Allah Ta'ala tanu khush rakhe. And God bless you in your barakah. Please see me your home in Gar. Please see me your home.
Room.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh, alak ore sabur kata. Alak durat murat. Yes, you are. Oh. Nice room. Your TV is a very special. Huh? And many Muslim in the Pakistan in Equator to working in Equator. Okay. I will become to Kuwait because I want to working hard in Kuwait and want to money and struggling to work.
Salamat. Thank you. Salamat. Shukriya.
Okay, thank you. You are so take but manunian.
Wala khabar ora. Walang anuman. Wato eh. Walang anuman. You're welcome.
Well, he make my friend. He said to walang anuman is I'm not knowing what is this. He care. Welcome. Okay. तो वर्क कब मैं अपना पासपोर्ट वीसा लगावा ते उधर आवा ते जहाज चावा एरोप्लेन टू शूट इन द पाकिस्तान
जाना तो
no flying kitty flying मेरे को no money in मेरी my pocket money. I want to set up ID card for me, an ID card and student card, and engineering diploma in electrical, but no job in Pakistan. I want to take, but the Kuwait visa is closed, blocked. But why? Kyun?
Oh, sure, open now.
Open now. Open now.
Give me a visa. Please give me a visa.
Please, Babi, to give me a visa. I will Hassan to me to going aeroplane in Pakistan to Kuwait. I very happy to talk with you. Huh? And my mahal kita. That's it, yeah.
I love you. What is this?
What is this mean?
I love you.
So my heart is not ragging. My heart is very soft, and you are my sister. So I want to join Gupshup in future life.
Okay,
Inshallah. Or please, kadu, matlab today, after tomorrow, tomorrow you will talk me, Hassan, to say to what my friend talking with you.
Tomorrow.
I am so happy. Because why you are so happy? Because you are so cute. Your heart is a very cute, soft, and razor. You are not boring for my talking. You are not angry. You are not sad. Okay, I am very happy because I am happy. Allah,
Thank you so much.
yeah, your package is not enough. Package is not enough. I want to isolate for you. Please bring your mirror number. No, I want 200 rupees to your number to package because you are to me ask with me. You with me. Yeah. Okay. Too much. What no, that's what I know. I take a mobile and my Hassan will you come in Kuwait to what do one sorry called gap lesson and gap shop. Then he talk both you. Huh? I'm so happy, but your pitchy. Nah, diwal kul ikit pa ya. Either near what is this balu bear? Is a pitchy. Your back side is a bear. Balu is English. Ye kiwi.
What is this?
Oh yes. What is this? Kibibal. Okay, very nice.
Same to you, same you.
Yeah, he's a very both nice. You are I'm handsome, tini handsome.
Nizde ka lakara, zata nizde. Lego to.
Your English your forehead and my forehead is a very blessed and Allah is a very place in your I'm so happy to talk with you. On to kuch karna kal kar bana.
Kamusta?
You are angry to me.
You are tired.
You are not tired. Hassan say to me, your brain is headache.
You become tired.
You become tired. I say not. He is a very cute and soft, and your heart is a very special. You are not tired.
No, I'm not tired.
Thank you. But my heart is very much biggest to talking with you. Talk with you. Because Pakistani people is a very nice people.
Yeah.
You are so nice people, female.
That is Saddam Hussein, the agriculture university ki professor, the 17 grade ke usla ke dale.
Okay, thank you.
Mentally, daga khali subject khali.
Okay, you are bye.
Aw ji comment share ke aw share ke.
Okay.
Dear share ke. Daji mentally professor de. Mentally.